Good morning, guys. It's actually afternoon. As you can see, it's another rainy day, so we decided to save the theme park till tomorrow. And Zarina's just been riding on a bike. She's enjoying it. Oh, she was. You alright? She loves being outdoors. I don't so much like it because I've got really bad hay fever at the moment. And they've been cutting the grass since 7 o'clock this morning.
I cut these down last night.
Did you?
All these, all these conifers. I cut them all down last night.
Can't see you doing gardening.
They're up here.
Look how tall this tree is. And like when the rain drops off
I have to trim it.
and lands, it makes a really loud thud. So I think we're going to Dusseldorf today, which is in Germany. We're just going to have a drive out, have a look round the old town part of it, do a bit of shopping and then come back. Yep.
Yeah, how we're going?
Yep.
It's raining, terrible weather. 7:30 we're walking up.
Bike lawnmower.
Yeah, that as well.
We're here again. It's a good job this is nearby really because the on-site shop's shut. So Sophie's fallen asleep with the crisps again. She's fallen asleep cuddling a packet of crisps or any food. Where are we going, Mikey?
We're going to Germany. We're going to Dusseldorf.
Dusseldorf we are. It's 40 minutes drive, is it? About
Half an hour.
Half an hour. We are just entering Dusseldorf.
In Germany. We're here. Still raining, still cloudy, still miserable weather. Never mind.
So yeah, do you want to tell me about that tower?
That's the lookout tower. There's a restaurant at the top, a revolving restaurant. It's open till midnight.
Same sort of thing what they've got in
Canada.
yeah, and Niagara Falls. Yeah, we're just going over the river. Town of Dusseldorf.
All this way to Dusseldorf in Germany for an Angry Whopper. It's quite nice actually. It's a bit spicy, and even the tea cakes are red. Quite nice actually. So yeah, we got here about an hour ago. I'm going to have a walk around and see what there is. We're going to look for Old Town. We haven't found Old Town yet, so we need to find Old Town. We've come for a walk now into the Old Town of Dusseldorf. Apparently there's lots of pubs. Looks quite nice around here. This is classed as Old Town. It's nice around here. It's mainly full of bars. Bar after bar after bar. What have we been buying?
Oh,
Little dolly.
nice.
What's that cushion look like? Let's have a look at that cushion.
That's nice.
I think Sophie wants it.
I really need toilet again.
Okay. What's that, Serena? Statue of Liberty. Of course it is, yeah. It's brilliant. There's a lot of art galleries around here. Lots of art galleries. Pop-up chili. These are brilliant. And we found more shops in the old town. More restaurants. That's a super dry store. It's like an old pub. We found the H&M Foot Locker. H&M, and I've got a nice jumper.
Don't you go there?
And I've got a t-shirt, look at this. California t-shirt, I like that. £10 in. That's it, yeah.
Judging by that sunset, it's going to be a nice day tomorrow. We're on his way back to the caravan site now, leaving Dusseldorf. So, as you can see, we're having the same again. Netherlands sausage, chippies and beans.
Wave your hands in the air, just like you do a kid.
Sit down, you didn't it?
I want bunny.
Is it nice, Saf? Saf likes chippy chips.
I got bunny.
Oh yeah, we've washed Bunny because he was filthy, wasn't he?
Yeah, and now he's really clean.
Eat your dinner then.